Welcome to Naxos. Here we're at Agia Prokopios, and as you can see, the water is very clear, and a more interesting beach as there's a transition from, as you can see, from the sands to the brown to the clear blue green here. In between the sands and the clear water is a rocky shelf. Be a, you have to be a little careful transitioning yourself from there to the water. It could be a little slippery. Here's the villa, 3 floors. Just beautiful mountainside views of the Aegean, all of the beautiful flowers around the villa. To the left there is one of the two areas to grill. At least the villa had charcoal on hand, bought some souvlaki in Naxos town and cooked that one day. Didn't get a chance to use the pool much as we were out exploring and either at the beach, out eating, or visiting an ancient ruin that you'll see here in a minute. Here we'll do a little fly through the balcony on the second floor here. It's nice. Today there was not many high winds as there were other days in Naxos, made flying the drone a little treacherous. So we fly through the palm trees, and we're back to Prokopios, swimming here in the clear water, using the drone on auto track here. Convenient as it would be very tough to swim and fly at the same time. Water was very warm and weather for the most part, say in the mid 80s. Very comfortable even with the winds that came later. Eventually here I'll step out onto that rocky shelf. As you can see, I'll be very careful when we get out. The beaches here all had attendants, and um, we were on a cushioned chair. Convenient, you can have drinks or food brought out to you. Plaka was the other beach we visited, which is a little bigger. Prokopios, a little more rocky than pure white sands. Here we are stepping out. And we made it. Now, Alex and I went to visit the sanctuary of Dionysus, a smaller site in Naxos. €5 to enter. You see, Alex is doing laps around the site here. We were the only ones at the site when we entered. Incredible seeing thousands-year-old sites. Hard to fathom. As Alex was learning more about the site, he came and mentioned a sacrificial pit that we'll see. You can see it up here to the right. It seemed to be about 12 or 15 feet deep, I believe for sacrificing animals. He's doing more laps running around the temple. Dionysus, the goddess of wine and fertility. Makes you think there might have been some drinking and partying here. There's a banquet hall where I'm flying the drone at. Comes Alex to share some more details of what he's learned. You can see there's some olive trees off in the background here.
And wash your hair, yeah. No.
This is us here at a cooking class up on a mountainside. It was an incredible experience. The best meal my mom had, ironically, cooked and prepared herself in Naxos.
Thanks for joining us on our trip to Naxos. It's been an incredible visit so far. We're off to Crete next. Hope to film a video there and post it in the coming days. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.